4 easy things to do when you're bored that will transform your life. First, let's understand why we get bored. We're living in a world where everyone is in a race to make it a smaller place, to make things easy, to save time. This gives us lots of free time, but sadly, the majority of us waste this time on Netflix, weed, alcohol, pornography, and many other useless things. And therefore, most of us live a mediocre life, wishing we had more time. If you want to beat mediocrity and live a life of your dreams, you need to start doing these 4 easy things that will transform you. 1. Read. Reading means getting an unlimited supply of knowledge that can transform any area of your life. Stuff that you read in schools and in colleges are crap. They don't teach us anything about the areas of life like health, relationships, finance, and spirituality. If you are the one to mock someone for reading any self-help book or think these books are not cool enough, then, my friend, you are missing an intense powerhouse of knowledge. All the great self-help books are written by expert authors from their experiences and knowledge after doing intense research in that subject, and they want to share it with you. Use it to your advantage. If you're not an avid reader, start slowly. Start with reading 10 pages. Reading doesn't only help you in getting knowledge, but it also reduces your stress by 68%. 2. Meditate. Meditation means silencing your mind. When we do not have anything to do, we worry about our past or about our future. In your free time, instead of worrying and useless overthinking, you need to control your mind. Meditation is easy, and it's the best way to control your mind. Start with doing it for 5 minutes every morning. Just cross your legs, sit straight, and close your eyes. Start deep breathing and focus just on your breathing. Lots of thoughts will enter your mind. You just must acknowledge these thoughts and they'll go away. Meditation will free your mind from compulsive thoughts of the past and thoughts of the future. It will be a little tough at the beginning, but it'll get easier with practice. This way, you'll control your mind, rather than letting your mind take control of you. 3. Exercise. What better use of your free time than to use it to work on yourself, work on your body? Most of us are far too lazy to even think of exercising. The benefits of exercising are too many to ignore, from enhancing your mental clarity to helping you sustain higher levels of energy throughout the day. Exercising can improve your life in many ways. You can hit the gym, go for a walk, or do yoga. Do whatever that suits you, but make sure you exercise, even if it's only for 10 to 20 minutes. 4. Keep a diary. Write down your thoughts in a journal. You can write about your goals. Keeping a diary will help you in gaining clarity, gaining new ideas, review past experiences. It will also keep a track on your progress towards achieving your goals. You can also write about even the smallest of things that you're thankful for. This way, you'll appreciate everything you have and will stop worrying about the stuff that you don't. You can write down in any format, digital or traditional. When you have nothing to do, go express yourself in your diary. Do these 4 things when you're bored and see how your life transforms. Write down in the comments section about the stuff that you usually do in your free time and how do you plan on using your free time more effectively. And for more such videos like this, why not subscribe to us?